one right now. Me that brown.
Hey, Magali, so I can chat to yourself, sir.
I want to see Karen Davis. I want to see you. You come talk about me, mad? You don't know about mad. Mad a girl like you, we have one man in this day and age. You come in and say no girl in them rightful sense. I keep one man. Girl say have man 5 days a week. 7 days in a week, yeah. Girl say have man 7 days a week. One for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Weekend man a different type of man. You're too outside about to come call me, mad. How what do you? Man a girl like you, we shave off all of your eyebrow them and then put on tattoo over your eyebrow. Yeah, hey, but me diss you. Want you? You could have bright and face it. Hey, man a girl like you, we come talk about how we come to people for advice. How you take advice from girl when not even can keep a man 1 day much less a month. Hey, no make me dip up under you, you know. No make me dip up under you. Man a girl like you, where your foot them fat and full of dust like wow. You come call me, man. And that Bridget you go buy. Mother girl like you, where your foot them fat like wow, but you gonna buy Bridget's. You know your foot can't hold the Bridget's, but you still gonna buy Rose at that. No sir, and you come talk about me? You know no sense. Your mother, you gonna buy Rose at that. Rose Bridget's, and you know your foot them fat and dirty like wow, and a Rose you gonna buy. And you come call me mad. And you come talk about me, now have no sense. Man, a girl like you will take up a man with 10 different baby mother. 10 rotted big old different baby mother. Don't be get briggling at the day, you know, when I'm tell you about mad, you know. Which girl of them rightful sense I go take up a man with 10 different baby mother? Feel like say you could have been the last 11th. Hey, man, me dip up under your nastiness. Hey, no, me tell you about this, you know. Sure. Come to think of it. Hey. Mother girl like you. We spend time with people, man, when you're supposed to spend time with your picnic. You're supposed to spend time with your picnic. You spend time with people, man. Eh? Man, a girl like you, we love talk about beat up and fight this and fight that. And you know down to God. You know down to God, so you can't fight. You know so you can't fight and you come call me, man. Eh? You know say you can't fight. And then when you come call me, man. Outside that. Hey girl, no make me diss it. Hey, man a girl like you. We are posed up in a picture and your dearest are this and your dearest are that. And in the background have your dirty foot picnic. In the background and big belly. And your piece of table catch up, your dirty rotten table catch up. And your dirty pat them. And your dirty plate them. So nobody make me tell you about your nastiness. Don't get me bringle. You come call me mad boy, mad girl Lisa. Hey Karen. Better go on, you know. Karen Davis, go on, you know. Oh man, let me be an outsider.